We are very excitedly waiting for our droid building experience, and so we are not alone. It's pretty crowded in here. So here are the pieces that you need for a BB unit, and then it just comes down this conveyor belt, and you just pick the pieces that you want. Okay, now it is time to go over and build. So you have to wait. Need a building station. Yes. Okay. Okay, so now we're at the building station. There are instructions for BB-8 and then the R2 units. If you need help, there is an alert tech button if you cannot figure out how to build your droid. But we have all of our pieces, so we're going to go ahead and try and get our droid started. Okay, so now it's time to put in the personality chip. Does it go in that way? Okay. And time to close up. Put the droid together. Okay, and then lock your droid. There you go. Perfect. Alright, next step is... Alright. We have to do the head.
Let me show you a little tiny trick. So those holes there match up with that little line there about. See how it kind of popped in there? Okay, now you're going to hold on to it, turn it upside down, and screw the screws in. Or you can use it reverse. Yeah.
Nope.
There we go.
See if we can activate it.
Activate!
Push the button. You love him? Yeah. Okay. So as you can see, building a custom droid at Droid Depot and Galaxy's Edge was a really easy and fun process. Our BB unit is now just part of the family and very chatty still sometimes. The control is actually pretty simple. It's not the most sensitive navigation tool, but my daughter has learned to do pretty well with it. I'm not the best. But we have really enjoyed not only our BB series droid at Galaxy's Edge, but at home as well. For more information about the droid building process, as well as other tips and tricks for having your custom droid in Galaxy's Edge, please click on the link in the description below. I've got even more information in a full article. So thank you guys for following along, and I look forward to seeing you next time.